The Lamborghini Huracán Technica is a supercar refined to its core purpose, to connect machine and driver with clarity, force, and emotion. It is the most balanced expression of the Huracán family, sitting between the everyday usability of the EVO and the uncompromising track aggression of the STO. It takes everything Lamborghini has learned through competition, aerodynamic research, and driver feedback, and distills it into a road-legal car that delivers purity without compromise. The heartbeat of the Technica is Lamborghini's naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine, mounted longitudinally mid-rear, producing 640 horsepower and 565 Nm of torque at 6,500 RPM. With no turbocharging or hybrid assistance, the engine responds immediately to throttle input with linear, explosive power that builds endlessly to its 8,000 RPM redline. The sound is raw and mechanical, a high-pitched scream under load that becomes part of the driving experience. Coupled with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, shifts are nearly instantaneous, whether in automatic or paddle-operated manual mode. The car accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.2 seconds and reaches 200 km per hour in 9.1 seconds, with a top speed of 325 km per hour. But beyond the numbers, it's the delivery, the sound, the texture of the power that defines the Technica's character. Where the STO is a race car for the road and the EVO balances road manners with digital dynamics, the Technica is built around the fundamentals of mechanical grip, chassis precision, and intelligent aerodynamics. It is rear-wheel drive only, unique among 640 horsepower Huracans, allowing for unfiltered driver feedback and a lighter overall package. With a dry weight of just 1,379 kilograms and a weight-to-power ratio of 2.15 kilograms per horsepower, it delivers a driving experience that is responsive, predictable, and alive. The Technica's LDVI system, Lamborghini Dinamica Veicolo Integrata, serves as the central brain for all chassis systems, including rear-wheel steering, torque vectoring, traction control, and magnetorheological dampers. But unlike other variants, the LDVI calibration in the Technica is tuned for a purer feel, emphasizing driver input and reducing artificial intervention. The system doesn't just react, it predicts. It monitors inputs from the steering, brakes, throttle, yaw sensors, and even the road surface to adjust each system in real time, before the driver notices the need. The result is a car that feels not only intuitive, but anticipatory, capable of adapting to aggressive inputs without becoming unpredictable. The Technica's rear-wheel steering system is particularly notable. At low speeds, it turns the rear wheels opposite to the fronts for tight radius maneuverability. At high speeds, it steers in the same direction to stabilize the car during fast cornering and lane changes. Combined with recalibrated suspension geometry and a lower center of gravity, the Technica corners with laser-sharp precision, maintaining composure under high lateral loads. Braking is handled by a standard carbon ceramic system, featuring 6-piston calipers at the front and 4-piston at the rear, clamping down on massive 380 mm and 356 mm rotors, respectively. These brakes are fade-resistant and consistent, even after repeated high-speed stops on track. Integrated cooling ducts in the front fascia and wheel wells channel airflow directly to the brakes, ensuring optimal thermal performance during extended driving sessions. The brake feel is progressive, communicative, and confidence-inspiring, a critical trait for a rear-wheel drive car with this level of power. Aerodynamics are fundamental to the Technica's design. Every surface has been sculpted not only for aesthetic aggression but for functional performance. At the front, a new bumper design with integrated splitter increases front downforce while channeling air to the underbody. Vertical air curtains ahead of the front wheels manage turbulence and reduce drag. Along the sides, a new silhouette features pronounced shoulders and a revised glasshouse, leading to a lightweight carbon fiber engine cover with integrated cooling vents. The Technica's rear is defined by a fixed rear wing that delivers 35% more downforce than the Huracán EVO RWD while maintaining aerodynamic efficiency. The new rear diffuser, more aggressive and deeper than in any previous rear-drive Huracán, stabilizes airflow exiting the underbody, improving grip and high-speed stability without resorting to the oversized aero elements seen on the STO. The combined aerodynamic package ensures the Technica remains planted at speed, nimble in corners, and efficient in airflow management, striking a rare balance between downforce and elegance. The Technica rides on unique 20-inch Damaso wheels with a hexagonal Y-spoke pattern, wrapped in Bridgestone Potenza sport tires developed specifically for this car. These tires provide an ideal balance of road comfort and track-capable grip, working in harmony with the suspension and LDVI system to deliver consistent, predictable handling. Ride quality is adjustable via Lamborghini's Anima system, which controls driving dynamics across 3 modes: Strada, Sport, and Corsa. In Strada, the suspension is softened, the transmission shifts automatically, and the exhaust is subdued for comfortable road use. In Sport, rear-wheel steering becomes more responsive, throttle and gear changes quicken, and torque vectoring encourages playful oversteer. Corsa transforms the car into a precision tool: maximum stiffness, minimal intervention, razor-sharp shifts, and a full-volume exhaust soundtrack. Unlike the track-only focus of the STO, the Technica offers a usable daily setting without sacrificing raw performance, making it a true dual-purpose machine. The interior of the Huracán Technica is stripped of distraction yet offers refined luxury. The dashboard features Lamborghini's new HMI interface via an 8.4-inch vertical touchscreen that controls infotainment, telemetry, climate, and performance settings. The digital instrument cluster adapts based on drive mode, with Corsa displaying lap times, G-forces, and performance telemetry in real time. Material choices include Alcantara, leather, forged carbon fiber, and laser-cut inserts. Seats are ergonomically designed with deep bolsters for support under high G-forces, but remain comfortable enough for longer drives. The interior is quieter than the STO, due to increased sound deadening and improved insulation, without dulling the V10's auditory presence. Lamborghini also offers extensive customization through its Ad Personam program, allowing each Technica to be individually tailored. Paint choices include exclusive hues like Verde Selvons, Arancio Zanto, and Blue Astrias. Interior materials, stitching, carbon finishes, and even welcome screen graphics can be configured to the owner's exact specifications. The Technica includes modern connectivity features such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Amazon Alexa, and onboard navigation with traffic updates. Through the Lamborghini Unica app, drivers can monitor vehicle status, performance data, GPS tracking, and receive real-time feedback on driving behavior. The system also enables over-the-air updates and remote diagnostics through authorized service centers, maintaining vehicle performance and security. Even with its focus on performance purity, the Technica offers thoughtful convenience features like front and rear parking sensors, a rear camera, optional nose lift system, automatic LED headlights, rain-sensing wipers, and a high-quality audio system. But these systems never take precedence over the driving experience. The car is fundamentally mechanical in feel, designed to engage, challenge, and reward the driver. The steering is hydraulic and heavily weighted, the pedals are precisely tuned, and every input is met with immediate, authentic response. The car is loud, alive, and analog in all the ways that matter, yet supported by intelligent systems that enhance rather than overshadow the driver. The Lamborghini Huracán Technica is the final chapter in the brand's naturally aspirated V10 saga, and it has been written with intention. It captures the essence of driving, the theater of performance, and the clarity of design that made Lamborghini a symbol of speed and defiance. It is not an indulgence in extremes, but a celebration of control, rhythm, and technical elegance. From back roads to racetracks, the Technica adapts not by force, but by finesse, by using its intelligence to elevate the experience rather than automate it. It is a car that exists not to simply perform, but to connect. A machine that honors the past while mastering the present. A true driver's Lamborghini, sharp, balanced, and utterly unforgettable.